Pause. Look at this situation. Is this matter happen to you when living in the city? Every day in the morning or evening we face the same problem? This kind of issue are usually happening to the person are mostly sensitivity to noise problem, just like this situation here. Hi, my name is Muhammad Zafali bin Anwar and my matrix number is 2018401786, and I would like to share and explain about traffic noise study. So let's have a look. Oh, hi. So, what is noise? Noise can be derived as unpleasant or sound that is too loud. Noise is come from the human activities, mainly at the urban area and the development of transport and industry. Even though the urban population are affected by pollution, small towns and villages alongside the road or industry are also victims of this kind of problem. For traffic noise, it consists of vehicular engine noise and tire noise from contact with roadway surfaces. This traffic-generated sound wave can be described by two basic parameters, which is the first one is frequency and the second one is amplitude. For frequency refers to the number of waves produced within a given time period, expressed in unit of cycle per second, while amplitude is the energy level or loudness of a sound wave, expressed in unit called decibel, which is dB. Traffic noise can vary considerably over a short time period. Traffic noise is therefore expressed as the percent of time a sound level is exceeded, denoted by L10. It also tends to be peak noise from high noise event, especially vehicles that pass by and construction activities. So, for the objective of this study is to determine the traffic noise level at L10, which is this experiment are conducting at the side of the road where we need to obtain the sound data from the roadway. And then there are three types of apparatus that we need to use for this experiment, which is the first apparatus is sound level meter to catch the sound level, and second one is the safety vest to ensure our safety, and then the third one is the recording sheet to record the decibel sound data.
The location to conduct this study was at Lebuh Raya Tebrau nearby Jalan Selangkai, Kampung Stanggi. The benchmark of this location was in front of the Premium Suite 1 Tebrau resident. The reason to choose this location because of it strategically and one of the main road to go to JB City. Because of this location also, it can be collecting the data about the traffic noise study.
At this part, we'll be explain about how to collect the sound data by using sound level meter. Firstly, we need to install NIOS application. Then, open the apps. Then, select frequency weighting and choose A. After that, select time weighting and choose fast. Then, back to the menu. And lastly, press play and then it will be detect the sound level meter of the road.
This is the result from the data that we obtain, and firstly is about the frequency table. Next, from the frequency table, we have to plot the noise level meter graph, and then based on the graph we can see that the most or maximum noise reading that we can get is about the 118 dB. Based on the data, this is the result about the minimum, maximum and average noise reading dBA, and from that value we can calculate the L10 with the using the L10 formula that has been written here, and the result of L10 was about is 114.38 dBA.
For the conclusion, this location of study obtained the L10 reading at 114.38 dBA. Based on the guideline from the Department of Environment Malaysia, these locations are considered as zone with noise disturbance, and it is not suitable to occupy premises at this respective land category. Then, we can conclude that the reason of this location produce high noise level traffic because of the lorries and the exhaust from the motorcycle that passing through the roadway. Moreover, the average of the noise level also higher, and it can harm to the hearing of nearby people of that road. Lastly, it can cause of human health condition such as stress, not comfortable, depression, and many more due to the noise sound problem. So that's all. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum.